Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to star question number 78. A. Sir, the government has not fixed any timeline to resume the operations of the Mamlo Chera Cement Limited, MCCL. B. Sir, the government is exploring all options of a joint venture partnerships to run the MCCL.
Pardon? Your supplementary, please.
Sir, since Bhavika Commercial Private Limited has expressed its willingness to run the MCCL on a joint venture basis, and I was made to understand that the former chairman of the MCCL, Mr. Wailat Mikishula, went to Calcutta on the 19th October 2022 to verify the credentials of BCPL, and on his return he addressed the press and explained to the media that his visit is to check the cement plant of MCPL and the government is waiting for documents including the balance sheet of this company. So may I know what is the stand of the government on this regard?
Mr. Speaker, sir, yes, it was right that the inspection has been done by the previous chairman. So as of now, the process of scrutinize the paper is little bit left, not yet over. Yes, as per the document is that they are qualified, and we are yet awaited for the final proof document to submitted by them. And when they submit the final proof document, then we'll take a call and we'll plan how to go in future. As of now, we are waiting for the final proof document from the company.
Sir, for the financial year ending on March 31st, 2022, the turnover of BCPL is under rupee 1 crore. So may I know, is there any guarantee that this company will be able to run MCCL or not, if this is the case?
Mr. Speaker, sir, that is the reason that we are waiting for their document proof. Then only we will take a call whether it is feasible to run it or not. Now the process of scrutinization is still on, so not yet finalized.
Sir.
And the point mentioned by the government is it was a fact, it is true. So let us finalize first. When everything is in order, when everything is in place, then we'll take a final call whether the company is possible to run this or not. And if not, we will take another call how to go in future.
So because in the course of reply, I'll go back to the first supplement, sir. Because in the first supplement, his answer is that it is found that this company is qualified. So I don't know whether the minister is contradicting himself or not. When in the first case he said that this company is found to be qualified, and now he agreed that maybe this company may not be qualified.
Mr. Speaker, I am not contradicting myself. I already state very clearly, as per paper submitted by is qualified. But as per tender clause in the tender part itself, we have to verify it with their original documents submitted by them. So till today, 2 times we have remind them, so the final document is not yet submitted by them. That is the reason we are still awaited for the reply from them. Then only will we take a call whether they are finalized for qualified or not.
So let us not forget the fact that this private company owned by the state government has been a bull rise for the people of Sarawak for a number of years. So in my opinion, sir, I feel that to go for a joint venture, it will put this company at risk. And so it will be better if the government can have a kind of a comparative statement to compare between MCCL and these private cement limited that are there in Giant Hills. the benefits that the people derives from the MCCL, the local people I mean to say, and the benefit that derived from those company cements that are there in Giants before they come to any conclusion. So may I know whether the government is ready to conduct that exercise or not?
Point is noted, Mr. Speaker, so the matter will be examined.
Yes, by having stone, Katran, please.
May I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Commerce and Industries, how many staff are there working under MCCL?
Presently, Mr. Speaker, is 280.
Sir, are they paid according to the State Pay Commission? Please.
Yes, Mr. Speaker, sir. But only thing that the payment is not regularly made by the state government, that is the reason one of the failure of this. So everything is in order for the payment.
Sir, please, is there any pending salary to be paid to the staff, sir?
Yes, Mr. Speaker, sir.
Yes, Dr. Mizanur, please.
May I please know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister in charge, Commerce and Industries, that how much amount of money has been given as grant to bail out the MCCL in the last 3 years, if there is any? Thank you.
Mr. Speaker, sir. Payment for the right from 2020 till 23 February, it was first list is 13 crore, 1,08,000, and second is 3.60 crore, and third is 25 lakhs 47,024, and fourth is 21 crore 51 lakhs 36,040 rupees, and last is 4 crore during this last 3 years.
Yes, your last question, please.
Sir, the Chief Minister in his budget speech has said that the state's own tax revenue for 23-24 is estimated to increase to rupees 3,200 something, sir, 205 maybe, crore. So while the state non-tax revenue for 2023 expected to reach to rupees 742 crore. So may I know, can the government infuse the required equity of rupees 200 crore to revive the MCCL and maintain its identity as the public sector undertaking of the Meghalaya government?
Mr. Speaker, sir. So just for the knowledge of the House, since 2006 till date, 350 crores has been infused into MCCL. And in the last 5 years alone, 100 crores has been infused. And mostly it has been to pay off the salaries and also the dues of MCCL, sir. So government has in numerous instances has been investing and infusing money precisely because of the reason that was mentioned by the honorable member, that obviously there is a special consideration for MCCL and we are concerned about its employees. But while we look at the finances, sir, it's not just the MCCL. We have almost close to 1,000 crores that has to be infused into MECL. We have other issues which were mentioned yesterday regarding teachers. There will be a lot of investments being made there. So there are numerous expenditures that the government has to do. And hence, in the last many years, as I said, 350 crores has been infused into MCCL. And we are not able to revive it. And hence, we are pushed to the point where we need to look at options on what to do. Because obviously we don't want to close it. We like to see that it would survive. But for government to continue investing in it, may not be possible because we have got numerous other expenditures to make and a lot of investments to be created, to be invested in. So all these factors has to be looked into the matter. And that's the reason why we went for this entire option of PPP mode, where we would be able to get private investment. And we have gone for an expression of interest. We did not get too many people. Whoever we got, we tried to be as flexible as possible so that we were able to explore the options. But obviously after seeing the papers and documents, and only once we are convinced that we'll be able to see this process move in a right direction, which is the private investment, only then will we take a decision. So there's no decision been taken yet. We are exploring the options because it is very difficult for the government to continue investment. The question was asked by the honorable member from Rajabala that he asked for the last 3 years, sir. In 3 years alone, in 2022-23, 11 crores invested, 2021-2022, 30 crores invested, 2020-2021, 6 crores invested, 2018-19, about 40 crores and 35 plus crores invested, 2018-19, another 10 crores invested. So we are touching almost 90 plus, touching 100 crores just in the last 5 years during the MDA1 government. So to answer in short, sir, it is a huge challenge. And therefore, in the interest of MCCL and in the interest of its employees and in the interest of the overall state government's finances, we have to explore options. And obviously the option of government investing also in it is an option we kept. We kept option number 1, where government has to invest, option number 2, which is to have a PPP mode, or option number 3, sir, which is the most difficult option, which is to close down MCCL. So obviously, sir, these 3 options are the only way forward for us. Now, which one will we go? We are examining, we are trying to come to the best solutions so that we are able to, protect the employees' interests, we're able to keep this brand up. At the same time, we are able to not put too much of financial stress on the government. So this is what is happening, sir.